how much I love, but the golden hour thing really works. My skin is nice, it's clear, it's just goals. It's just like low-key goals, like, hello, who's this? I think creativity is just intelligence having fun. I believe that the desire to create is one of the deepest yearnings of a human soul. Because everything you imagine is real. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. This is a safe space, this is a creative space, a place where you can escape and let your imagination go wild, and kindly subscribe. And if you are coming back, what's up? I am so glad you're back. So today we are going to be shooting drone inspired pictures without a drone, because I don't have a drone. So I was chilling, I was watching people taking different pictures with their drones, and I was like, oh my god, pictures from above are live. They are beautiful. The lighting just smashes your skin and you glow for the gods. And I was like, I will try it out. Problem was, I didn't have a drone. So I improvised, because what do we do? What do we do when we can't do something? We move, we find solutions, and we make it work. And that's what I'll be doing in this video. And I hope you guys enjoy it and watch it till the end. And kindly subscribe, because that will help me so much. Like, share, and comment, and let the world experience some fun new DIY at home #lockdown quarantine photography that you can try with your friends, your family, or yourself. I usually just take my pictures on my own, but I had some help from my cousin Linda and my little sister Amore, and the pictures are hopefully going to turn out great. Fingers crossed. So let's get to the video, and I will show you guys my settings and how I was able to take drone inspired pictures. I put the mirror there.
What?
Okay, not mirror, ladder there, so I can get height. And then I created a small little bedroom kind of scene in the outside, and I think it's very cool. It looks cozy, romantic. But I'm single as always, and I'm trying to show you guys a top view of the idea I am trying to get. Love it. So posing is very important. I have to stress this. Posing is very important. It's a very vital part of your whole picture. So you use your body as an instrument, because posing will show the image you are trying to take out. Are you trying to be sexy? Are you trying to be artistic? Are you trying to look vulnerable in your pose? Make it work, and don't be afraid to move around and work with your body, work with your space, work with certain props that you find around you to create the full image, because posing completes the whole picture. After you're done posing, obviously you take your pictures, you collect them, and then you start editing. And this is what I came up with after editing my pictures. Take a look. thought that let me remove the bed and just have the duvet in. Let me just have the duvet because I wanted a more cleaner kind of picture. I wanted to have a lot of green because you all know I love working with nature and greenery. My God, like it slaps, guys. It slaps. Pictures in nature slap. They slap. And I wanted to remove the bed, throw in the duvet, and wanted to see what I would come up with. And I actually liked this version more. It was clean, it was simple, it was fuzzy, and I hope you guys like it. As you can see, I removed the mattress, put it on the side, and then it's just the duvet cover and my Monroe pillow. I'm breathing so much because I'm going up and down, and I just want to show you guys the view I am going for. Vibe. Okay, thank you. I also created a small setting with a chair, a guitar, and a speaker, and created more magic. Hope you guys like it. So after I was done taking pictures with the bed and the duvet, which I love, by the way, I decided to look around and see another place I can try take pictures within the house, because you can't leave. Remember, the country is closed. And I wanted a place with tall grass where I go inside the grass and I just sink inside. And it's very important here because the grass is hiding most of your body. Your instruments will be your hands and your face. You know, you can place your hands on your face and try and come up with a beautiful, artistic, poetic kind of pose for your pictures, which is what I went for, because I want an artistic, poetic kind of pose. I don't want a normal selfie where I'm just like yes. No, I wanted it to look like art, and nature is art. So I eventually found a place after my brother told me that snakes might come and kill me, tell me I shouldn't because they're snakes. But I was like, you know what, for the content for you guys, I will do it. I will risk my life to show you guys how to take beautiful pictures. So I found this place with the tall grass in our garden, and I went inside and I started taking pictures there, and I hope you guys love the end product. Personally, one of my fave, I have to say. So for this one, you just dive into the grass, speak to the grass, move with the grass, be one with the grass. Use your arms a lot. Like I said, your arms are your instruments, and have fun. Guys, that is a wrap. that's a wrap. I had so much fun. I literally had so much fun because like I wasn't having a good day today, but then it got better when I started creating, because I think that if you love creating, then you were clearly born to create. So you always have to embrace the talents and gifts that God gave you, and you make them work around with the world you are living in. And I had a lot of fun. I literally enjoy this, and I love taking videos for you guys to show you the different ways you can like play around with different selfies, and that there's not only one way to take selfies. There are so many different ways to take beautiful pictures for your Instagram feed. You can even take pictures like this for your business. I don't know, but with photography specifically, the ideas are limitless. There is no limit. It's not put in a box, and you can just go wild. So anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys loved it as much as I did. Personally, I'm proud of it, and I hope you guys try out these kind of photography ideas at home. You know, post them on Instagram, also tag me on them so I can see, because I'd be really excited. My handle is SwaziK with 2 eyes_K, and we can all have fun this quarantine. I hope you guys stay beautiful, and I hope you guys stay blessed. I'll see you next week.